Now take a look at the Edifier X3 Lite, as you can see there. Now again, these are budget earbuds. You can buy them for $40 on Amazon at the moment, so I'm pretty excited to open up and take a look what comes inside. So I'll take a look. Again, pretty inconspicuous packaging as well, which is what we like to see. Put that to the side, and here we are. So there's the earbud case, nice and light. Now there it is in comparison to my hand, so it's quite small, which is good, very portable, and it's got USB-C charging there as well, as you can see that. Now these will fit into even your pocket as well, so if you're going to take these while you're actually commuting out and about, you can actually use them too. They're very light, and here are the earbuds, which I'll just pop in there. Again, they are plastic, these earbuds, but they've got a very good plastic feel. So they're very, very light, that means, which is good. Now they're Bluetooth 5.3 as well, and IP55 dust and sweat proof. So this means that they will be good if you get water on them, or obviously if you get them dirty. Now let's have a look at them. So here's the earbuds just here. So there they are. As you can see, they're quite larger earbuds, but we'll find when I put these on later, they actually fit really well into the ears. And because of the sound going through there, they actually sound very good as well. So I'll just move a bit of fluff off from the packet there. So there they are, just there. Now again, they are touch controls as well, which I'll show you guys shortly how that actually works. But there you go, there they are compared to the size of my hand. So they are very light earbuds. Now they have environmental noise cancelling. So that means clear voice capture and gets rid of surround sound as well, which is good. Now they take 1.5 hours to be fully charged. So you get 6 hours in the earbuds. You get another 18 hours in the case too, which is really good. They're very, very lightweight too. Again, like I said, Bluetooth 5.3, and you can use the app with them as well. So very good earbuds. Very good, very keen to kind of show you guys and jump more into the review now. And you've also got the cable here at the back as well, obviously, which you can plug in. So there they are there. So that's the unboxing of the Edifier X3 Lite.